Good morning, students. How are you today? Fine. Very good. Very good. In last class, you have learned how to read and write alphabets. In alphabets, you have learned how to write capital A to Z. Capital A to Z. Have you learned? Okay. Very good. Look here. What is this? Alphabets. Very good. A to Z. A to Z. Then now read these alphabets. Read this. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. Very good. Very good. So look here. What is this? What is this? Which toy is this? Very good. Aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. You like to play with this? Very good. Look here. Which fruit is this? Which fruit is this? Apple. Very good. Apple. What is the color of apple? Red. What is the color of apple? Red. Very good. Very good. So, A for apple. Apple. A. Today we are going to learn how to write capital and small a. You know how to write small a? Okay. I will show you how to write capital and small a. So look here on the blackboard. In your 4-line notebook, there are 4 lines. Red line, first blue line, second blue line and red line. Red line, first blue line, second blue line and red line. Understood? And you have to put your pencil on first dot on red line. On red line. And start writing from here. From red line you have to start. Come to the first blue line. And again on second blue line. Which line is this? Which line is this? Left slanting line. Left slanting line. Very good. Again put your pencil on this dot and come down. Now right slanting line. Which line is this? Right slanting line. And join this. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Capital A. Capital A. Now look here. How to write small a. From first blue line, you have to start writing small a. Put your pencil on first blue line. A big curve. A big curve. And small curve. What is this? Capital A and small a. Capital A, small a. Sounds. A sounds a. A sounds a. Apple. A sounds a. Look here again. Left slanting line, right slanting line and sleeping line. Capital A. And again from blue line, right curve, big curve and small curve. Okay. Capital A and small a. Capital A and small a. left slanting line, right slanting line, sleeping line. Capital A, and here big curve and small curve. Understand how to write capital A and small a? Very good. Then you have to write this classwork full one page in your notebook. And while writing, you have to say and write.